Japanese fermented food. Welcome back to Happy Eating Challenge. Traditionally, we eat a lot of fermented food on a daily basis. The fermented food will contribute to your gut health and which is so important to your immune health. The human body is protected by immune cells that attack and eliminate viruses and germs that invade the body. And about 70% of immune cells are in the intestine. And in order to enhance the immunity, it is important to improve the intestinal environment. Fermented food improve the intestinal environment and boost immunity. Here are 5 of the most common Japanese fermented food and condiment. Number 1. Natto. Natto is a smelly, sticky fermented soybean we eat regularly. This is maybe Japan's most weird soul food. This is a perfect example of an acquired taste, but actually it tastes so good. I love natto. Natto creates its very own enzyme called natto kinase. It is known for its positive influence on the blood circulation. We love the food that has a smooth blood effect, as I said in the former videos, and natto is the best smooth blood effect food. And natto lowers the blood pressure. And what is natto is so special is natto is rich in vitamin K, which helps calcium intake into bones. There are local trends for the consumption of natto. People in Kanto or North tend to eat more natto on a daily basis. But in the Kansai area, where I live, or the west part of Japan, do not eat natto quite often. In the low natto consumption prefecture, there is a distinct difference in the bone-breaking cases. The research group said that eating habit may affect bone health. Natto contains fewer anti-nutrients and more probiotics than non-fermented soybeans. Natto goes well with rice, and I make a super immune-boosting rice bowl, and I will show you this later in this video. Number 2. Umeboshi. Umeboshi is a traditional salted fermented Japanese plum, which has been played an essential role in our food culture. Umeboshi is used as a preservative and accompaniment for the rice, and it is extremely sour and undoubtedly an acquired taste. Younger Japanese people are eating fewer umeboshi than the former generations. However, umeboshi is still a superfood for us in the post-COVID era. We eat umeboshi with rice and we make onigiri and serve with rice porridge. And we eat hot tea with umeboshi in it when we feel something wrong in our stomach. Umeboshi is used as home care medicine. And what is good about umeboshi is umeboshi has anti-inflammatory properties that could help the liver function, and umeboshi keep the blood sugar level even. And it contains fat-burning properties. So if you want to lose weight, add 1 umeboshi to your daily meal. Please check the link in the description box below. There is so many health benefits in umeboshi, but keep in mind umeboshi is a high salt content, so if you have some restrictions on salt intake, be careful about the quantity. Number 3. Miso. I have already explained about miso, so let's give it a quick review. Miso may support gut health with its probiotics. The fermentation process promotes the probiotics. Miso is such a rich source of probiotics, so miso may support immune function and help fight infections. And miso may support brain health. The study shows that gut and brain are connected, so it may affect your cognitive health if we keep our gut healthy. And it might affect our mood, including anxiety and depression. So regular intake of miso is crucial to be in a good health and good mood. Number 4. Tsukemono. Tsukemono is a Japanese pickle that is served with rice and miso soup. It adds a crunch and salty and tangy accent to your meal. You can find many varieties of tsukemono in the grocery store, but some products are not really even fermented. and it's not easy to find. No preservatives and artificial sweetener is added. For fermented pickles, look for the labels that say naturally fermented, or try making by yourself. When you open the jar, you should hear the popping sound and see the bubbles on the surface. It's the sign of the bacteria is alive in the inside. Fermented pickles is full of probiotics which are important for your gut health. Number 5. Rice. I am talking about brown rice here. Maybe rice is the least thing we are fermenting. But brown rice is rich in fiber, which is good, but it takes time to digest. So if you have weak digestion, it will cause another issue even if brown rice is highly nutritious. But by fermenting brown rice, it becomes digestive and has more nutrients like GABA. It has been reported that GABA reduces stress and relaxes your nerves, and it can also help improve the concentration. And fermented brown rice contains enzymes that can improve your blood flow smooth. The enzyme can break down the carbs and fat without accumulating them in the body. So it is expected to prevent obesity, and it contains fiber that allows you to keep you full longer, and so it will reduce the excessive calorie intake. Fermented brown rice contains a lot of dietary fiber that is effective in relieving the constipation. And moreover, the fermented brown rice is also excellent in the detox effect. I don't want to go on a 1-week detox program with highly processed food that comes in the form of a box at high price. So if you switch your white rice or bread to fermented brown rice, you don't have to go on a 1-week detox program. And here is my super immunity boosting rice bowl. I eat this twice or 3 times a week, not only for the nutrients but the taste. I love this so much. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you can take more fermented food regularly in your daily meals. Click like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.